back to Canton Valais and the Rhone Valley. Bit of a mixed bag on the weather today. So far I have been in a cloud, in the rain. Now I'm in the sunshine. Slightly heavier gear on today because it was cold when I left the house this morning. Really hard to dress for the mountains sometimes, and today I feel I'm just going to sweat it out and suck it up. But anyway, that's life. The plan today is to head up that valley there, which is the Val d'Aran. So I'm starting literally 5 minutes out from the capital of the canton, which is Sion. And we're going to head up there, the Val d'Aran, to a village called Evolène, which I'm really hoping has a good coffee shop, because I need that. I've not been, so this is all brand new for me. The valley is old school Switzerland, so I've been told. So I'm expecting great views, big smiles, some great twisties, the normal stuff. Come along, enjoy the ride. So we're going to make the best of it whilst the sun is out. Just coming through the vineyards on the eastern edge of Sion. Hopefully you can see the outskirts of the city in the picture. Sion, as I've mentioned, is the capital of the canton. So all the administration's done here. It's got a university. Quite a young vibe to the town. Different, I feel, to the rest of the canton. And now we are crossing the A9, the main highway through the valley floor. None of that is for us today. We are heading to the Val d'Aran with silent S. There's my place, Evolène, the village. Let's see what we've got then, shall we? Well, this isn't ideal. Well, it's obviously not that hidden. It's fairly busy coming downhill. I know we all like clear blue skies, but when you get the clouds like this, everything's just a little more dramatic. It really suits the mountains, I always think. It's atmospheric. Looking over the valley, there's another great village perched on the side. Somewhere else to explore. This is the beauty of this place. Everywhere you look, somewhere new. Well, these are just great roads yet again. Little smile makers all the way. Here's a question for you. When you think of Switzerland, do you just think of the passes? Or do you think of these little routes like this? Quiet back roads, nice twisties, great views. What's your idea of Switzerland? Let me know, it'd be interesting to find out. Because I think for a lot of people, it's just the big old passes, isn't it? Doing their really big bucket list stuff, which I don't blame anyone for. I just think there's more. So I've heard about what's coming up now. The pyramids I'm going to pronounce this badly, Euseigne. They're a natural formation of softer stone which has been eroded away, but certain points that were capped by more solid rock. So they've created pyramids with these stone caps on top. We will be getting a drone out for them. Definitely worth a look. Just another great road, isn't it? Amazing views down the valley. Just loving this road. Never ending twisties. It's great scenery here as well. Just a few valleys over and completely different from what I'm used to. Fantastic. This is one seriously well forested valley. It's stunning. I'm starting to think the more I get around Switzerland, especially this canton, there's no such thing as a bad valley. Every single one has got a little bit of magic to them. And it might have been busy on the opposite side of the road going down the hill, but so far for me, this has been pretty clear all the way up. Oh. Well, we're back onto wet roads. And now we're back into rain. Let's hope it doesn't get too heavy when we get to this village. Coffee is screaming for me. So here we go, we're coming into Evolène. It's just off the main road, surrounded by forests and mountains. And heavy looking clouds. Well, this is gorgeous. Tiny little streets, ancient old wooden houses, and then mixed in with these stone ones which are all painted, which is very unique. Reminds me of Austria. Let's see if we can find somewhere to park. Made it to Evolène, found my coffee, I am happy. That is a really nice little route. It's not long, so Sion up to here is 26k, so 30-35 minutes of pure twisties really. Just really good stuff coming in and out of little villages along the way, hugging the side of the valley. It is stunning, great views the whole way. Yeah, I don't know, if you're staying down in the valley, if you're coming along the A9, which you probably will be if you're coming through Canton Valais, you will be, you have no choice. If you need somewhere to stay the night, these side valleys have so many pretty villages, so many campsites to stay at. This village has a campsite inside it, so it's well worth it. So don't stay in the valleys, come up, explore, enjoy, find Switzerland, find these little gem villages, because this place is magical. It's old school chalets mixed with these painted Austrian style buildings. It's just amazing. Well worth the trip. You can go further up the valley, even more than this. There's another village called Euseigne, which is a starting point for hiking, mountain climbing, ski touring, all that kind of stuff. The weather is closing in today, so I'm not keen on that. I'm going to head home and try and stay dry. But yeah, I'll be back to do that one. I really like what I'm doing. If you do, please hit the like and subscribe. It really helps. There are plenty more to come, so I will see you on the next one. Cheers.